cheese remedy. So before we get into this video, I just want to tell you guys a secret. This hair you see me rocking here was actually given to me by a Nigerian YouTuber based in London. So if you want to hear the full gist, stick around and make sure you watch this video till the end. So FUNMYTE and more actually made a video wearing this wig, and she said if you love this wig, drop your comments and I will get to you. Of course, I loved the wig. It's so simple, it's so cute. So she told me to send her my address, of which I did. Lo and behold, here is my wig all the way from London. So I say FUNMYTE and more, God bless you so much. So she sells this wig as well. This wig is just like a cap. You see the way it is comfortable. You can wear it for anywhere. It is free to wear. You can wear it anywhere. It is very, very easy. So if you really want to rock this hair and you are interested in getting this hair, so check out FUNMYTE and more's channel. Her link is below the description box. And if you love this hair and you want to get it, her email address will also be on the description box, and she will get it across to you anywhere you are all over the world. So as you can see, it's very simple. It's very, 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 very classy. So guys, join me and say a word of prayer to FUNMYTE and more for this gift she just gave me. I'm so excited. So guys, without wasting much of your time, today's video is all about me showing you guys how to come up with your homemade orange peel oil that will help to lighten and glow your skin. 100% natural. Make sure you stick around and watch this video to the end, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, so anytime I upload a new video you will get notifications. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. So my orange is already washed, so I'm just going to go ahead to peel off the skin of my orange. So I'm using a knife to open up a tiny hole to make it easier for me to peel off the skin. So you can as well use your grater to grate the orange peel out. So whichever way that is easy for you, just follow it. So I appreciate you all, my returning subscribers, you that is coming across my video for the first time. I appreciate you all for your support. Thank you so very much, and God bless you all as always. So guys, don't forget to like this video, share this video with your family and friends. So this is the peel I got from these 3 oranges. So you can feel free to add more oranges, so depending on the quantity you want to make. So this is the peel. So these oranges, I'm going to use it to come up with a refreshing juice. So this is the peel I got from the 3 oranges. So I'm just going to go ahead to try to cut it into pieces. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to sun dry this orange peel. So you are going to sun dry it for at least 3 to 4 days depending on your weather. So what we want to achieve is dried orange peel. So you are just going to dry it until it's dry. So it doesn't matter the number of days. Just make sure your orange peel is dried. So here is how it looks like. So I sun dried this for like 4 to 5 days because the weather was not really that sunny. So as you can see how thick the skin of my orange peel, how it is. So just make sure you sun dry it very well. So I'm just going to go ahead and try as well to cut it into pieces. So I wanted to blend this to turn it into powder, but my blender disappointed me and I tried using my grater. So that is how I got this powdered orange peel here. I used my grater to grate it, but I couldn't grate all because it was really a kind of taxing. So guys, the next thing you are going to do is just to get a container that has a tight cover. Transfer your orange peel into that container. So we are going to go ahead and cover it up and allow it to infuse for at least 2 to 3 days. So this is how it looks like after 3 days. So we are going to go ahead. So I'm going to use a cheesecloth to strain out the oil because I'm not going to use a sieve because of tiny particles. So guys, your orange peel oil is ready. This oil can be used daily. It will help to glow and lighten your skin naturally. It can last up to 5 to 6 months or more.